How to deal with customer meetings, a customer conversation and script. And if you haven't already, check out these 2 YouTube videos for essential phrases when socializing and when dealing with a customer meeting. And the links are in the description below. Welcome to Toomey Business English, and if you like this content, then please like and subscribe to our channel. And in this lesson, there's a free cheat sheet. It contains the socializing phrases, the meeting phrases, and the conversation script for this lesson. It's an essential download, and check out the links in the description below. So let's begin. Let's look at an example customer meeting. And the scenario is that the sales manager meets a customer who has a software product to sell. So we're going to look at a dialogue using the basic socializing and the customer meeting phrases. In this lecture, you can change the example dialogue to suit your needs and circumstances, and the example dialogue is from a customer and a customer service perspective. So let's begin. Good morning, Mr. Smith. Pleased to meet you. I'm Mr. Milton, sales manager with Bing Systems. Please take a seat. Good morning, Mr. Milton. I'm pleased to meet you. Thank you very much. Did you find us okay? Yes, thank you. The map and directions you sent me were a big help. That's good to know. Did you have any trouble finding a parking space? Well, no, it was fine. By the way, I like your offices. What an amazing view. Yes, we are so lucky that the view overlooks Tower Bridge. Have you been to London before? No, this is my first visit. It's incredible how busy it is. I know what you mean. I've lived here for 5 years and life here can be very hectic. Well, thank you very much for agreeing to meet me today. You're welcome. Thanks for coming today. So as I understand it, you'd like to discuss selling your products in London? Please tell me a bit more about your company. Smith Letting Solution is a British software company founded in 2010. We're based in Manchester and have 120 employees. We sell software for property lettings called Property Ahead. It tracks expenses, sends invoices, manages income, generates balance and income statements and other reports. And how can Bing Systems help you? We would like Bing Systems to sell our software in London. We understand that you already sell networking products and services to small businesses. We believe your clients will be also interested in our products. I see you've done your research. We indeed have a lot of existing clients who could be interested in your software. I want to schedule an online meeting with you, Mr. Smith, to discuss this in more detail and hopefully commit to the project as we are interested in a partnership. In fact, it will probably need several meetings. That's my suggestion. Does that work for you? I'd appreciate your feedback. Yes, I'd be happy to meet, and our company would welcome the opportunity of working in partnership to sell our products further. Excellent. So, how about we meet online next week, Wednesday, 16th of April at 10 a.m? Yes, that's fine for me. What would you like to discuss? I'd particularly like to discuss prices, payment terms, technical support and training. That's fine. I agree that we'll probably need several meetings to discuss all that. Let's have our first meeting next week online and take it from there. Do you have Zoom? We can use this for the meeting. Yes, we use Zoom for video conferencing purposes. Thank you very much for your time, Mr. Milton. It's greatly appreciated. I'll look forward to meeting you next week. Thank you also. That was a beneficial meeting. Before you go, could I quickly go over the action points so that we are both in agreement? Yes, of course. So we've agreed to meet next week on Wednesday, 16th of April, 10 a.m. to work on a potential future partnership. Subjects for discussion will include prices, payment terms, technical support and training. And we will then schedule further meetings from next week. That sounds great. And to help further, I will send you a follow-up email with the action points discussed in our Zoom contact username for meeting purposes. Yes, that would be very helpful. Excellent. Thanks for calling in today. Have a safe journey home and I'll see you next week. Thank you and see you soon. Bye now. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Toomey Business English channel. Download your free cheat sheet, and don't forget also that we offer coupon codes to get discounts on our online courses in the description below.